Hi, today is day 131 of my journey to Google, and I continued studying Go. So, yesterday I explained the loops, array slices. So, today I studied map. Map is basically like any other language, but here you can also define nil map using this make. And yeah, it should have same key type, and the value type should also be same. And for iteration you do it like this, just using the range. With the array or slice you just go with the range. And then there was struct is basically you define the data, and then along with the, like, it's kind of a class but it only defines data. And to define the function you implement this function elsewhere using the receiver. So uh, this is kind of a receiver here, and we call this function then p.greet like this. So it's basically kind of achieving OOP concept but in a different way. Then you have interface here is different because you define some function, and whatever uh, struct is basically implementing that function, whatever type is implementing that function automatically is implementing the interface. You don't have to explicitly define it, is implicit only. So in this you have interface area, and you see circle and rectangle both are having area, so they are by default using the implementing the shape uh, interface. So here we are passing the shape, and we just do s dot area. And yep, then we have concurrencies. So concurrencies, we have go routines and go channels. So in go routine you basically, it is like concurrent. By default behavior is this: you have one CPU, and on that you have go scheduler which maintains your go routines. But you can also use multiple CPU core. So that comes the difference between the concurrency and the parallelism comes in. So by default it is concurrent. And then yeah, you just use the go keyword and it makes it asynchronous, and the main go routine will close, so you use time to stop it. Then you have to communicate between them. You have channel, you create channel, and its channel is basically you just define the type of it and you pass it along the function, and then with the help of this arrow keys you pass the value or read the value from channel. So here you are passing the value to C, and somewhere above you might be reading it. So yeah, here you are reading the value. And that's the update for today. Thank you.